Welcome to the future of work. In this video, we explore 10 AI tools transforming industries and potentially replacing jobs. Don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. These tools can also be powerful allies in your career. Let's dive in. First up, coding. GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool that assists developers by suggesting entire blocks of code. It turns your thoughts into code, making programming faster and potentially reducing the need for junior developers. In writing, Jasper AI is revolutionizing content creation. It can craft blogs, articles, and even social media posts with high-quality writing, making it a valuable resource for content creators looking to scale their output. Designers, meet your new assistant, DALL-E 2. This AI can generate intricate images and art from text prompts, streamlining the creative process and offering endless artistic possibilities. Customer service is evolving with AI chatbots like ChatGPT. These bots handle inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and freeing up human agents to tackle more complex issues. In data analysis, Tableau's AI features empower users to visualize and interpret data effortlessly. It reveals insights from complex datasets, making data-driven decisions more accessible. Legal professionals can rely on AI tools like Ross Intelligence to conduct legal research. By processing large volumes of legal documents, it helps lawyers find relevant case law quickly, saving valuable time.